Hello everyone, in this video we will solve question 387, first unique character in a string from LeetCode in JavaScript. So this problem says that we are given a string and we need to find the first character in the string which is unique. I completely flipped the question there. No, the character which is unique. So here L is unique. Now let's move on to this one. L, you have an L here, so it's not unique. O, you have an O here, it's not unique. V, we can't see any V here, so this is unique and the index of this V is 2. So to solve this problem we will take the following approach. Let's go to the scratchpad. So we have a string here. So let's say the string is A, B, C. Oh, you know what, I'll just take the string that we have. Love LeetCode, much easier to explain using that. So now what we can do is we'll start from the left and we will check for every string, we will check for every character and we will see if the character has previously come in the string or not. If it is not, then basically we will store the index of the string, and if it has, then we'll store the -1 as the index. So what I'm trying to say is we will create a map. So let's say the first character is L. Okay, now we have not seen L before, so we'll store the index 0. The second character is O. We have not seen O before, so we will store index 1. We have not seen V, index 2, E, index 3, L. We have seen L before. So what we will do is we will cross out this, and instead of saving the new index, we will save -1. We'll go to E. Again, this would be -1. Next is again E. This would remain -1. T, some index, I think 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then C is 8. O would be -1. D would be, I guess, 10, and E already -1. Now we will loop over this map and see the first string or the first character where the index is not -1. So the first character where index is not -1 is V. So that is our first unique string. Because for all the characters where the index is -1, that means we have encountered another character, same character in the string moving forward from left to right. So the first character where the index is not -1 is our answer. So let's go ahead and implement this. Get my keyboard. Okay. First we need a map. Let's close down this a bit. So we will declare a map. Now we will see or we will create the map of characters and their index in the string according to discussed logic. So if the character is already there in the map, that means it's a duplicate character and we will set the index to -1, else we will set the index to the current index. Now that we have our map, we loop over the map and we will check if the value, we will check where the value is not -1, for which index the value is not -1, and for the first of its kind we return that. So if the value is not equal to -1, we will return the value that is the index that we stored. And if by any chance we don't encounter any of the value which is non-1, then that means all the characters have some duplicates. So we return -1 according to the question. Let's go ahead and try and run this. Okay, let's submit. Okay, so it got submitted. Again, a very simple question, just using a map and some logic. So stay tuned and I'll see you around in the next one. Thank you.